general mental ability class today. As a first topic, we are going to study about the groups and sets. Suppose if they give two groups A and B, then we can construct a Venn diagram. This is A and this is B, and if I enclose this in a rectangle, the area present outside the group, that is outside the circle, is nothing but neither A nor B. So this, you note it down, this is a very important point. So I have named it as 1. That 1 is nothing but, it is a place called neither A nor B, and this is a place I have marked as 2, which is nothing but only A. So the place 2 is only A. In the same way, this place is only B. Clear? And this place I marked as 4. That is nothing but both A and B. Okay. And this complete circle is called as A. It is not only A, it is just A. Okay. And this complete circle, it is called as B. So these are the basic concepts associated with the groups and sets. Now we'll go back to a problem. Okay, this problem is a Prelims 2008 question. See the question. In an examination, 70% of the student passed in paper 1. So they talk about paper 1 and paper 2. So let me construct the Venn diagram here. Before that, I will write all the required detail. So what is that is 70% passed in paper 1. Okay. Then 60% of the student passed in paper 2. So this is the first detail given. Next is 60% passed in paper 2. Then 15% of the students failed in both the paper. So 15% failed in both. 15% failed in both. And what else is given? While 270 students passed in both the papers. So 270 passed in both. So previously they gave 70, it is a percentage, but here it is the actual number. That is 270 passed in both. Okay. So again reading the question from the beginning. In an examination, 70% of the student passed in paper 1, 60% of the student passed in paper 2, 15% failed in both the paper, and 270 students passed in both the paper. And the question asking for what is the total number of student, and the options are here: 600, 580, 560 and 540. Okay. Now we will solve the question, then we will come back to the options and we will check it. So I am going to construct the Venn diagram here. That is, I am going to put one circle. This is paper 1. Okay. So I put a circle, and this is paper 2. So complete another circle and enclose this in a big box. Now one more basic concept is here. We have to always start filling this diagram from the middle part. That is, this area should be filled first. That is the basic concept. So what is the detail I have is 270 passed in both, isn't it? So let us take, this is the number of students passed in paper 1 and paper 2. So here I must write 270. This is nothing but 270. Is it clear? I cannot fill the first one 70 passed in paper 1. I cannot put that 70 here because the paper 1 is this entire circle, but it is also including this middle part. So from the middle part only we have to always start. Suppose if the problem is involving the 3 events like this, so we put a 3 circle like this and we have to start a problem by filling this one as the first. Then I have to come to fill the value of the area where the two things are intersecting. Then only I have to come to the last part as a single area like this. Okay, this is a basic concept. Now as per the concept we are moving in this problem also. So what happened is I put 270. Okay, then you come to 70 passed in the paper 1. The 70% passed in the paper 1 means, so suppose if the total number of student, if you take it as x, let the total be x. So what is the 70% of that? It is 70x by 100. So I can put that 70x by 100, okay, minus 270. Is this clear? Because I cannot simply put 70x by 100. The middle part, whatever I already put, I have to subtract it. In the same way, you come to the next one, 60% passed in the paper 2. So it is obviously 60x by 100, but I have to subtract the middle portion always. Okay, when I'm filling the single area, whatever we wrote as a common thing, we have to subtract. Is it clear? So I subtracted. Then one more thing they have given, 15% failed in both. 15% means the circle represents the passed percentage. So 15 will come outside the circle. That is what I have explained in the concept also. Do you see the number 1? It is neither A nor B, means it is neither paper 1 nor paper 2 the student has passed. So it has to come outside to both the circles. So this is 15x by 100. Okay. Now the total number of students we have taken as x. So if I add all this thing, I should get x. So I am going to calculate here. So the first value is 15x by 100. With that I am going to add 70x by 100 minus 270. Then also I have 60x by 100 minus 270. Okay, this will come to the value as x. Have I included all the value? So here is one value, 1, 2, 3, one more thing, 4. We have to include this also. Is it clear? So plus 270 also will come along with this expression. Is it clear? So just add all the values. Now what I can do is I can cancel minus 270 and plus 270. Okay. Now let me add everything. So these numbers has a 100 as a denominator, isn't it? So I can put a common 100 and this will become 15x plus 70x plus 60x. Then I have one more number minus 270 equal to x. Okay. So carry the 270 to the other side and bring the x to this side. So what will happen to these values? 15 plus 75 plus 60, that is 70 plus 60, 130, and 130 plus 15, 145x by 100. Okay, this is minus x equal to 270. So if you take LCM, it is 145x minus 100x divided by 100 equal to 270. So totally this will be 45x is equal to 27000. Okay, so x is equal to 27000 divided by 45. So with what table we can cancel? Anyway we are not allowed calculator, so let us start from the basic calculator, like 9 table. 9 means this will be 3 times, so I have 3000. 9 means this is 5 times, again 6 times it will go, so 600 I am getting as x. What is our x? This only basically our what is our x? This only basically our number, total number. So that is nothing but in the option we have 600 as a option A. So this is our correct answer. Okay. So I have taken so much to explain the concept, but actually when you solve it, you can complete in much lesser time. Is it clear? Okay, so just to see all these concepts, and this is a basic concept, and so many problems are based on this. In previous years question paper, so every year 1 or 2 problem appears based on these concepts. So go through the concept, then you see this problem, and in next part we will solve further problem based on this itself. Okay, fine.